Hello, my name is Hasib Ullah. I'm a tax accountant with MHU Financial Services, and we've been serving clients for over 11 years. I get a lot of questions about what you need to bring in when you come to file your taxes. If you are an employee, you have worked last year in 2017, you'd be expecting a T4 from your employer. If you were on EI, maternity leave, parental leave, or a sickness benefit, if you have received any of those, you would be expecting a T4E from Service Canada. If you were a pensioner, if you have received old age security or a CPP, Canada Pension Plan, you'd be expecting a T4AP or a T4A OAS, and you would have to bring those for income tax. If you have invested money in the bank or with an investment firm, if you and you have gained interest or dividend, or if you have sold stock, you either made money or you lost money, you'd be expecting slip called T3, T5, and T5008. You need to bring those. If you have studied last year, if you went to school, either full-time or part-time, there would be a receipt called T2202A. If you have received Universal Child Tax Benefit, even though Universal Child Tax Benefit has been discontinued from July of 2016, but if you have received payment in 2017 for prior years, you should be expecting an RC62 from CRA. You have to bring that. If you had other type of income, if you had commission income, or if you had scholarship, you'd be expecting a T4A. If you lived in a social housing, if you have social assistance payments, or if you have worker compensation payment, there would be a form called T5007 that you would need to bring in. For credits, if you have contributed money into RRSP, Registered Retirement Savings Plan, there will be an RRSP slip coming to you. One is from the contribution from March to December, and then you will have another one for January and February of 2018, which is also deductible in 2017 income tax return. Professional or union dues, if you have paid any professional membership fee, those are deductible from income tax. We would be able to claim it in your income tax. Medical expenses, as long as it's over 3% of your net income. So what happens is you go to buy medication, you go get dental work done. If all those medication, dental work are over 3% of your income, then we're able to claim it. You can go to the pharmacy, get a medication tax receipt. You can ask them for a tax receipt which would have all your that you have bought in 1 year. It will have all the slips listed in as a summary, so that if you missed one or two, we will be able to catch it on that summary that you'll get from the pharmacy. Bus passes, for monthly and weekly passes that you may have bought for 2017, we are able to claim from January until June 30th, 2017. Anything after that, we won't be able to claim. Charitable donation, if you have donated to a registered charity, that can be claimed as a charitable donation. Political contribution credit, there you must have a slip for both political and donation to claim. If you have children and they have gone to, you have sent them to daycare, that can be claimed as long as you have a receipt for it. Interest paid on student loan can also be claimed as a credit. You will be getting receipt from either the National Student Loan or the Alberta Student Loan. You have to bring the official interest paid receipt. And if you have done any exam for any professional certification, that can also be claimed as a credit, as an expense in your income tax. If you have a small business at home, if you have a daycare or and a business that you use the home as an office, you would be able to claim part of your rent, part of your utilities, part of your telephone bills as an expense in your to run that home office. For more information on that, you can give me a call and I can guide you through depending on what type of business you operate and the location you operate in. If you have any question, you can send me a text or an email. I think I have covered most of the paperwork that you need to bring. If you're not sure, just bring them and then we can take a look at it. If you're missing any of your T4 or EI slip, I should be able to pull it up when you're here in the office, as long as I have online access to your account. If you like this video, please do like and share. And if you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe. Thank you.